damned fool! What in God's name did you think you were doing?
Well, to be fair, it was I who gave the order to scout further.
Yes, but not even you would be stupid enough to authorize an all-out attack on the Poos.
Meanwhile, the rat receives news of the loss of his county.
I can't believe it! My troops have scattered all over the place. There's nothing I can do. I've lost the county!
Show some backbone. My contingency plan is already in motion. You'll have your county back soon enough. Trust me.
Later, a dispatch arrives from the rat, stating your newly acquired county has been blockaded. As Woolsack reads the letter, you and Sir Longarm look on like a pair of naughty schoolchildren.
The Poos is willing to consider a truce once we withdraw our troops from his county.
Ah, it's a trap! This youngster's father was killed the same way. We should use our momentum for another strike.
No, we don't have the manpower to sustain a full-scale war.
You are dismissed, leaving the Lords to discuss the important details of your next mission. Finally, a red-faced Sir Longarm storms out of the room to give you your briefing.
Lord Woolsack, in all his wisdom, wishes you to arrange a truce, but I don't like it. I will lend you my finest mason, so you can prepare yourself for the worst.
Pitch a small camp in an open clearing. Then await Duke de Poos's arrival. Do not bring arms to bear upon him for any reason. To secure our lands, these talks must succeed.
Duke de Poos wishes to meet us in this valley surrounded by cliffs. It looks like someone has moved. It's a trap! Sir Longarm was right!
A trap! Our advance party was mown down like animals. Now, I will give you some new orders. Build a large fortification and prepare your troops for Duke de Poos's arrival. Use the masons I sent with you to quarry stone and build a strong and permanent castle here.
Place a keep to site your castle, my liege. Site your granary, sire. The armory is full, my lord. A bear is attacking our people. No change in the treasury, lord. We await recruits orders needed, sire. Instructions! Moving off! We await orders. We are on our way. We await orders. Needed, sire. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. We await
Weapons
orders.
needed, sire.
Yes? Leaving now!
No taxes is good taxes. That's my motto.
Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege.
Not enough wood, my lord.
Half rations? I don't like that.
We are almost out of food, sire.
Wood needed.
The granary is empty, sire. Your popularity is falling.
Wood needed. Wood needed.
Our treasury is emptying. Granary stocks are very low, sire. No change in the treasury, lord. Not enough workers available to run this building. Our granary stocks are growing, sire. No change in the Treasury Lord. Archers, ready! Our gold stocks grow steadily, sire. Our granary stocks are growing, sire.
Wood needed. Wood needed.
Not enough work is available to run this building. Our granary stocks are growing, sire. Our gold stocks grow steadily, sire.
Wood stocks are too low, sire.
We await orders needed, sire. Recruits needed, sire. Recruits needed, sire. Our granary stocks are growing, sire. We await orders needed,
My
sire.
boy's
A
yours.
message from the rat.
Oh, about to retreat, are we? Well, it's no use groveling now.
We await
Weapons
orders,
needed,
my lord.
sire.
Moving off. The rat's troops are attacking. We await
Weapons
instructions.
needed, sire.
Your popularity is rising. Our treasury is empty.
Gold stocks are too low, sire.
We await orders. We are on our way. We await
Weapons
orders.
needed, sire.
Archers, ready. My bow is yours. Arrows ready. Me lord, leaving now. Notch arrow. Our cows are struck down by a strange malady, my lord. We await orders.
Weapons
We have
needed,
survived the enemy's onslaught. We await orders. Instructions. Moving off. Outlying villagers have seen a band of the rat's troops heading this way. We await
Weapons
orders.
needed, sire.
We await orders. We are on our
Yes.
way. Leaving now.
Can't place that there, my lord. The rats' troops are attacking.
We await.
Weapons
My
needed,
boy is
sire.
yours.
Stone starts are too low, sire.
Me lord.
Recruits needed, sire. Recruits
We await
recruits
orders.
needed, sire.
Instructions. We await
Weapons
orders. We
needed,
await
sire.
orders. Archers, my boys yours. Me lord, finding targets. Steady aim. Arrows ready. Not arrows. Finding targets. Instructions. We await orders. We await orders. Yes. Archers ready. Moving off. Take steady aim. My boy's yours. Lord, arrows ready. Instructions. We await orders. Arrows. Yes. Enemy are vanquished. We await
Weapons
orders.
needed,
Archers
sire.
ready.
Outlying villagers have seen a band of the rats' troops heading this way.
We are on our way. Leaving now. Me lord? We await
Weapons
orders.
needed,
Instructions.
sire.
We await orders. Yes. Moving off.
The rats' troops are attacking.
We await
Weapons
orders.
needed, sire.
The granary is full. Ready.
Weapons needed,
My
sire.
boy's yours. Me lord? We await
Weapons
orders.
needed,
Instructions.
sire.
We await orders. We await orders. Archers ready.
Weapons needed, sire.
My boy's yours. You lord? We are on our way. Leaving by now. Target. Moving off. We are on our way. Takes arrows. Arrows. Finding targets. Leaving now.
Held firm.
Instructions. We await orders. We await a message from the rat.
Aha! I, the mighty Depuce, your nemesis, will soon triumph over your so-called army.
Scouts report a large force of the rat's men are marching towards us. That's quite a run. We await orders.
Needed,
Instructions. Moving off.
Weapons needed,
We await
sire.
orders. We are on our way.
The rat's troops are attacking.
We await orders.
Weapons needed,
Yes.
sire.
Leaving now. We await orders. Archers, ready. My boy's yours, my lord.
We have survived the enemy's on a message from the rat.
Oh, bother it, and oh, I lost the game.
Victory!